These macrame hanging fruit baskets are not just really useful for hanging up your fruit, but they're super cute in your kitchen as well. But you can use them for more than just fruit. You could also choose to put plants in them, whether they are real or fake. If you choose to use a real plant, just make sure you use a plastic liner with it, but it's also a very cute look for them. I especially love that you can use it all as one unit, or you can separate each of these baskets off of the main hanger and use them individually as well, which really opens up all the possibilities and different ways that you can use them and different spots you could put them in your house. The macrame cotton rope itself is super soft, and these are definitely very well made. And they come in two different colors. I have it in both white and in the brown color. It definitely holds a lot of fruit. I put a whole bag of grapefruits in the bottom compartment and it held all of them perfectly. And it's very strong too, because the fruit got very heavy and it held it without any problems. If you're looking into getting these for yourself, I could definitely highly recommend them. I know that you're really gonna like them.